hearty welcome to U2 Can, a channel that will help you to succeed in examinations easily.
So let us solve an example in RC transients. Okay, consider the circuit. In this RC circuit shown, the switch is closed at t equal to 0. You have to find the transient current, find the voltage across the resistor and voltage across the capacitor. This transient current is I of t. Find the expression for I of t, find the expression for VR and find the expression for VC. So here there is no data given regarding previous condition, that is previous voltage or previous charge, anything. So we have to assume initially relaxed condition. So initially relaxed condition means initial condition is 0. Sorry? No, okay. That is the voltage across the capacitor, that is the voltage across the capacitor before switching is considered to be 0. This is important. Okay. Now what is this capacitor? Is 1000 microfarad. We can write it as 1000 into 10 power minus 6. Okay. 1000 into 10 power minus 6 means 10 power minus 3 farad. Okay. Now let's solve the problem. Okay. So now we have to find the current I of t, and by applying KVL equations are I of t. So 200 into I of t, plus for capacitance the formula is 1 by C. 1 by C means 10 power minus 3 into minus infinity to what is this? T. I of t dt will be equal to the voltage 50. So we can write it like this: 200 I of t plus 1 by 10 power minus 3 into, separate the range, that is minus infinity to 0 I of t dt plus 1 by 10 power minus 3 0 to t I of t dt equal to 50. Okay. Now this term, it is the voltage across the capacitor before switching, which will be 0. Okay. So take this as 0. So 200 I of t plus 1 by 10 power minus 3 integral 0 to t I of t dt equal to 50. Now apply Laplace. So Laplace of I of t is I of s. So 200 I of s plus 1 by 10 power minus 3 into I of t is I of s by s equal to, for 50 it is 50 by s. Okay. Take this LCM. Take here I of s common, that is 200 plus 1 by 10 power minus 3s, which is equal to 50 by s. What is 1 by 10 power minus 3 means 10 power 3. Okay. That is 200 plus 10 power 3 by s equal to 50 by s. Take LCM. 200 s plus s equal to 50 by s. SS gets cancelled. Ten power 3. So take this s outside. So 50 divided by 200 into s plus 10 power 3 by 200. 50 by 200 0.25 divided by s plus 10 power 3 divided by 200 is equal to 5. Okay, so this is I of s. Now what is I of t? Take Laplace inverse 0.25 e power minus 5t. And what is the voltage across the resistor? This is the question answer for first question. And what is the voltage across the resistor? We all know resistor formula is V into e power minus t by RC, otherwise R into I of t. That's all. What is R? R here 200. I of t is 0.25 into e power minus 5t. That is equal to 200 into 0.25, that is 50. So 50 e power minus 5t. And what is Vc? Vc is V minus VR, as we all know. V is 50 minus 50 e power minus 5t. So it will be 50 into 1 minus e power minus 5t. Okay. So this is the answer for the first question. This is the answer for second question. This is the answer for third question. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Wish you all the best.